Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be finishing the final part of our paper. Let's get straight into it. Question 21 says, what is the longest possible chord on a circle? Circle your answer. A tangent is not in a circle, so we know it's not a tangent. The circumference is the outside of a circle, so we know it cannot be circumference. And the radius is half the size of the diameter, meaning that the diameter is always bigger. So our answer is diameter. Question 22 says the number of people living in a town is 47,000 to the nearest 1,000. Which one of these is a possible number of people living in the town? 46,000 rounds up to 46,000, so it's not the one we are looking for. 46,500 rounds up to 47,000, so we know this one is our answer. Question 23 says Jeff and Kaz share £270 into the ratio 2.6 to 1. How much more does Kaz get than Jeff? In order to work out who gets what first, we need to work out what one unit is. We have a total of 3.6. So 270 divided by 3.6 equals 75. That means each unit is worth 75. Kaz gets 1.6 unit more than Jeff. So we can do 75 times 1.6, which equals 120, so Kaz gets £120 more. Question 24 says to show that the two rectangles are similar. To do this, we need to show that they have been multiplied by the same number. Comparing the same sides, we get 28 divided by 35, which is 0.8. And we can do 40 divided by 50, which also equals 0.8. So they have the same scale factor. Question 25 says the equation of a straight line is 2y equals 6x plus 8. Find the gradient of the line. First thing we want to do is to make sure that it says y equals, so we're going to divide everything by 2. That gives us y equals 3x plus 4. The gradient is the number in front of the x, which is 3, so our answer is free. Question 26 says that at the country park there is a house, museum, and a garden. The table shows the prices per person to visit the park. On one day, 480 people visit the park, and it's given us a load of information about what's happened. It says in total how much did the 480 people pay to visit the park. You may use the diagram to help you. Let's go through each piece one by one. We've been told the 67 visitors visit the garden only, and this has already been added to our Venn diagram. 40% visit the house and the museum, so if we do 0.4 times 480, we get 192, so 192 people visit both. We can put that in the middle. Three over 8 visit the house only, so 3 over 8 times 480 gives us 180. That goes into the house only part. And then the rest visit the museum only, so we do 480 minus 180 minus 192 minus the 67 that we already know about. This gives us 41 people remaining, so 41 people must have visited the house. The next bit of our question is to work out the totals for each part. 192 people visited the house and museum at £12.50 each. So 192 times 12.5 is 2,400. 180 people visited the house, which costs £8 each, so 180 times 8 is 1,440. And 41 people visited the museum only, so 41 times 7 is 287. And if we add them all together, we get a total of £4,127. Question 27 says the heel of the shoe exerts a pressure of 198 pounds per square inch. Convert this pressure to kilometers per centimeters square centimeter. We've been told that 1 pound equals 0.45 kilograms, so we can do 198 multiplied by 0.45, which gives us 89.1 kilograms. We're also told that 1 square inch is 6.25 centimeters, so we can do 81.1 divided by 6.25, which gives us 14.3, so 14.3 is our answer. Questions 28 says 6 positive numbers have a mean of 10 and a range of 19, and it gives us a list of numbers. Let's start with the mean. We have 6 numbers, so we can do 6 times 10 equals 60. So we know all 6 numbers add up to 60. If we add up what we have so far, we get to 37. So we have 23 remaining. Now we just have to work out some numbers that have a difference of 19 and also add up to 23. Those numbers are 21 and 2. 1 Question 29 We've been given a solid shape. I will being asked to draw the front elevation, so we're stood in front of the shape from the direction of a what does our shape look like? Well, we have a look, we've got this square here, we got this little rectangle here. So our square is 2 by 2 square, and we've got our rectangle, which is a 1 by 2 rectangle. The next part the question says to draw our shape from a plan, so that means from above. If you look at what we have highlighted, this is what we need to draw on the next page. Eric thinks of a prime number between 20 and 30. His number is a percentage of 125. Work out one possible value of x. If we're looking between 20 and 30, we know a prime number can be 23. So the calculation we need to do is 23 divided by 125 and multiplied by 100. When we do that, we get 18.4. Question 31 says that part of a regular polygon with 15 sides is shown. Work out the interior angle. In order to do this, what we need to do is we need to take the number of sides and take away 2. So 15 take away 2 is 13. This means our shape is made up of 13 triangles. Angles in a triangle add up to 180, so 13 times 180 gives us 2,340. Our shape has a total angle of 2,340. We've got 15 sides, which means we've got 15 angles, so 2,340 divided by 15 gives us 156, so our answer is 156 degrees. Again, thank you for watching another one of our videos. On next paper go through will be a higher paper.